I am excited to share that I honestly got this book at Five and Below. I am sharing my journey on YouTube, and I am excited about that. Hey guys, I'm Maxine and welcome to The Ultimate Comfort. This is a place for anyone looking to pay off their debt and maintain a lifestyle doing so. If you haven't already done so, pause this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upload. So in today's video, I am going to do a 6-month recap of goals that I set back in January. I did do a video on the goals for 2021, and I just want to review where I am now that 6 months have passed. One of the goals, not the first goal, one of the goals that I set was to share my debt-free journey on YouTube. So I am excited to share that I now have $72,500 of, and this is student loan debt. And I share that specifically because originally this was all of the debt that I had. And like any day or any month or any plan, I have been sticking to my goal of paying off my debt regularly. However, it's not that much. So I believe in January I had about either $87,000 or $85,000 of student loan debt. And unfortunately, in March, I do have to renew my car inspection here in the state of New York. And I did have to, do some maintenance on my car, which caused me to, accrue a lot of debt in that area. So I'll be doing a separate video on how I paid off my car, but maintaining my car can be painful depending on the type of car that you get. So yeah, I do have a Mercedes-Benz, and maintenance on that car can be really costly. So I'm thankful that though I have been able to meet this goal, and I'm thankful that it's still in progress. I feel like I could have done more, but now that the world is opening up, the vaccine is out there, and things are starting to become back to somewhat normal, people are spending money, So yeah, so that is where I am. I am sharing my journey on YouTube, and I am excited about that. I have been trying to upload once a week. That has been my goal, and I feel as though some of my content are not specific to my debt-free journey. Sometimes they're unboxing, sometimes they're vlogs, but they're all related to it in some way, shape, or form. But I am excited that I have been uploading regularly. It has been hard. I did not realize, editing could be so painful sometimes. But there has been so many changes since I uploaded my first YouTube video that now it just feels like second nature to film, to edit, and then to share. I'm growing. I am new to this, but like any one of us, we can learn as we continue to do it. Another goal that I had, that I did a recap, is to read a book a month. So I have an app, and it's called Goodreads, and this is a great app to have to track your reading, because not only are you able to track the books that you're reading, but you're able to have friends. I'm sorry, my phone is going off. You're able to have friends on the app with you, and for some reason, to me, it's some accountability. When you're liking someone's update or they're liking your update, it solidifies some accountability. So I say all that to say that now we're in the month of July, so I should have read 6 books, but I did not. I went back to the app and I realized I only read 3 books, and I said, I thought I read more books than that. I'm on my 4th book, but it's okay. Things happen. The book that I read that definitely changed my habits, or this particular goal that I am trying to accomplish, is Atomic Habits. And I absolutely love this book. Like, this is the book that this is the book, if you are looking to become the best version of yourself, you need to read this book. This book not only talks about how to build or break bad habits, but it teaches you the systems you can set in place to do better at those habits. So, this is a book that I would recommend to read every year, especially in the new year, where, we are all creating vision boards, where we are all setting goals. And even if we want to do a recap, what can we do? So right now I'm reading my 4th book. I am reading, and I do have the book here, The 4 Agreements. And this book is pretty good. I honestly got this book at 5 and Below. So I was surprised to have this book, because this book was on my list. And yeah, that's another thing about the app. You can highlight books that you want to read and books that you're currently reading, and then it keeps track of books that you've read as you update it. So another goal that I set for this new year was to get my real estate license, and I am so happy to share that yes, I did pass my real estate exam. I did sign up under a broker finally, and I was able to take some headshots for my business cards. I'm so excited. I am now doing the onboarding training as a new licensee, so more updates to come. But yes, I am looking forward to practicing real estate in New York and also in Connecticut. So pray for me. This is a new journey for me. I don't know what to expect, but I know this is going to be exciting to help others find their home. Another goal that I set was to go to the gym 4 times a week. Now, I have not been consistent in this area. After reading Atomic Habits, it definitely helps structure how I can be better with working out or going to the gym a certain amount of time of weeks or days during the week. I do have so many people in my household who do go to the gym, who can be my accountability partner, but I think finding what works for me in this season will help. Some of the things that I would like to change is uploading to YouTube twice a week. I think increasing my uploads, which means that you'll be seeing more of me on YouTube, and also working out more, definitely going for my walks, bringing the gym home. I think it's important to do a 6-month recap, or any recap of your goals, whether if it's quarterly, monthly, or 6 months halfway through the year. The reason why is because you want to see where your progress is, and you want to make adjustments if needed. If things are working, that's great, but as you can see from my example, there's certain goals that I set where I have been consistent, and there's some that I haven't been consistent where I need to make adjustments. So tell me in the comments section, do you do a 6-month recap or any recap of where you are with your goals? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.